We're here. Phrom Phong. Asok is here, Nan is here, Thong Lo and Akamai. I just wanted to show how cool these apartments are right next to the station. This is the station right here. So we're waiting for the BTS. And then this one right here has all this really cool balconies. So we're just going to take a look at that real quick. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this one we're gonna film this park. This is I'm not sure the location of this. It's on Sukhumvit. It's not too far from Sukhumvit 33 and 31. Sukhumvit 22 is not too far. Where's this been across? And I have the zoom camera on this one, so this is a part of Bangkok, and we're just going to zoom in on some of the stuff that's around here, including this. And all the flags too, eh? I don't know what the blue flags are. Lots of people are walking. Interesting. Long strides, okay. So I guess it's a popular place to go jogging, running. And you can also see a lot of development around here as well. Tall buildings. And some tall buildings. There's a lot of construction over there. Another temple over here on this side of the park. And then right here is the BTS line. All the way across. And then you have some more apartments over there too. So anyways, this is another part of Bangkok. So we're going to focus on this space and show you what this looks like as well. Okay. That's kind of interesting too. So I don't know. What a popular place. This is the headstone. Okay. There's the station. Phrom Phong. I'm probably mispronouncing it. But this is where the park is at. So there's a park right at the entrance of this station. When I go up to the station, there's a big mall right here. There's Emporium Mall. People are walking. And this is basically the same location, Phnom Penh. So you can see all the activity and the traffic below. And we're just gonna show you the park as well. So this is the park that the beginning of the video started at. So you can see lots of people cooking things for the temple of the park and overlooking this park as well. We're here. Phrom Phong. Asok is here, Nan is here, Thong Lo and Akamai. I just wanted to show how cool these apartments are right next to the station. This is the station right here. So we're waiting for the BTS. And then this one right here has all this really cool balconies. So we're just going to take a look at that real quick. So actually this whole little stretch, it looked a little bit dilapidated and dirty. But you got some cool stuff happening. There's people who are sitting out, getting food, and the restaurants down there. And then you have this kind of cool sign right here that I wanted to capture, Coca. And some other apartments, massage places. Look at that temple up there. It's kind of cool too. Right there. And then all these nice skyscrapers up on top. Life below. Or life below. And way down there you got some Christmas lights because it's near Christmas right here too. So anyways, apartments are kind of cool, but I guess if you live there you'd constantly hear people on the metro all the time. But I like the color scheme too. And we're gonna walk over on this side so you can see more. So that might be our train all the way down there. I don't know which way it's coming from. But regardless, you can see the skyline. Actually, it looks really impressive there. If I go back, it still does. I didn't know how it would look on the zoom, but this is all one big reflection. Looks like sky. So this is a reflection right there, but it's actually part of the building, as you can see. But because it reflects like sky, it looks like it doesn't have a claustrophobic feel, which some people might feel that it could have. And then this is where everybody's waiting. And I might move this before the train comes. You see, it's 5:40. I'm going to be heading to Ekamai.